In today's video, we are going to show you how to reverse a manual journal in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. I want you to go on the top menu, click Accounting, and scroll down until you find the manual journals. Click on it. If you have accidentally posted the wrong amounts or used the wrong accounts, or maybe you simply need to correct a prior journal entry, all you have to do is select the journal that you wanted to reverse. There is a drop down menu on the top right corner. You see the journal options. I want you to click on it and click the reverse. What will happen is it will automatically create a new journal entry, reverse all the debits and credits, and set the reversal date to the current date by default. Before you click the post, you can adjust the reversal date if needed. For example, let's say April 30th, and there is the auto reversing date, which is optional. Maybe let's say May 29th. You can add a description here and in the account and click the save post. And that's how you reverse a manual journal in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.